Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Sheets tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to export your Google Sheet file to HTML or web page file without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come to Download right here. Then under Download, come down below right here, you have web page right here and HTML. Go ahead and click on that. And this is going to pump up right here. Go ahead and choose your file destination, and everything is going to export as raw zip file. Go ahead and come down below right here and click on Save. And in a few seconds, the file is going to be saved successfully right here, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. Now we have the file as HTML. For more useful tutorials like this, and consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.